Part 2 Java Syntax. In this tutorial, let us learn about Java syntax. Java syntax. See the example. Code public class main, public static void main, string, closed square brackets, args, flower bracket, system.out print in hello world. See flower brackets closed. See here the result was hello world. Example explained. Every line of code that runs in Java must be inside a class. In our example, we named the class main. A class should always start with an uppercase first letter. Note, Java is case sensitive. My class and my class has different meaning. The name of the Java file must match the class name. When saving the file, save it using the class name and add Java to the end of the file name. To run the example above on your computer, make sure that Java is properly installed. Go to the introduction video part 1 for how to install Java. The output should be like this: hello world, system.out.println, closed brackets. Inside the main method, we can use the print method to print a line of text to the screen. See the example. See here, public class main, public static void main, string, args, system.out.println, hello world. See here, the curly brackets marks the beginning and the end of a block of code. See here, each code statement must end with a semicolon. Okay, like this. Okay, and the result is hello world. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 2 Java syntax. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java comments. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.